How to make collection image full width in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So by default, if your theme here, if you just go to the default product page, collection page, we're just going to be able to find that the collection image here is not full width, and there's no possible way for us to change that from the default settings. So we just want it to be full width, and then the title to be right underneath it, so it's going to be clean. So in order to do so, what we want to do is just exit out of the editor and just go back to our Shopify admin. Click on the three dots right next to your edit theme button and click on edit code. From here, you simply just want to go to the top and search up theme.liquid, and you should be able to find it right away. Simply click on that. And now basically all you need to do is just scroll down to the bottom until you find, which is also at the bottom, like I said, the /body tag here. So what you want to do is just click on the line above it and hit enter. Basically, you want to make space between the line before it and the body tag, like so. And just go down to the description. You should be able to find a link which has a code. Simply copy the code and paste it right over here. And click on save from the top right corner. Once it's saved, we can simply just go back to our Shopify store. And if we view our collections page right now, we can see that it is going to be full width and it's going to have the title right underneath it, as you can see. So with that being said, hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.